Hi everyone! If you love Vietnamese cuisine, then you're going to enjoy this dish, Vietnamese Ginger Chicken. In this video, I'll show you how to make it in a simple way, but the flavors will be incredibly rich and delicious. For this recipe, we'll need about 1 kilogram of chicken, along with shallots, fresh ginger, turmeric, kaffir lime leaves, and some chili peppers. We'll also need some seasonings: salt, chicken powder, MSG, fish sauce, and ground pepper. First, we need to clean the chicken and remove any unwanted odors by rubbing it with coarse salt. Then rinse it thoroughly and let it drain. Once it's dry, chop the chicken into bite-sized pieces. In Vietnamese cooking, we usually chop the chicken into bite-sized pieces, bone-in, just like this. It helps the meat absorb more flavor while cooking and gives the dish a richer taste. But in Western countries, people don't usually chop chicken like this. Instead, they prefer boneless cuts, like chicken breast or thigh fillets, because it's easier to eat and cook. If you're not used to chopping chicken, you can also use boneless chicken for this recipe. It will still be delicious. Now, let's marinate the chicken. I'm using 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, half a tablespoon of MSG, half a tablespoon of ground pepper, and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Mix everything well so the flavors can soak into the meat. These are all common ingredients in Vietnamese home cooking, but feel free to adjust the seasoning to your taste. Next, we'll add in the aromatics: shallots, ginger, turmeric, kaffir lime leaves, and chili peppers. I've already smashed and finely chopped them. Mixing these in will give the chicken a wonderful fragrance. Let the chicken marinate for about 30 minutes. Once the chicken has marinated, it's time to cook. Heat a little oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, add the chicken and stir-fry it, making sure to keep it moving so it cooks evenly. Let it cook on high heat until the chicken is fully cooked through. At this point, we'll add about 200 milliliters of water to help the chicken absorb even more flavor. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes. If you have more time, you can cook it on low heat for longer until the chicken becomes really tender and deeply flavorful. At that stage, it's more like a braised dish known as Ga Kho Gung. But since we're making Ga Kho Gung, we're cooking it faster over higher heat. After 10 minutes, it's time for the final touch. Add in some julienned ginger and finely sliced kaffir lime leaves. Adding them at this stage keeps their flavors fresh and vibrant, giving the dish a warm, zesty aroma. You can also taste and adjust the seasoning here if needed. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and then turn off the heat. And that's it. This dish smells amazing. The chicken is golden and flavorful, infused with the warmth of ginger and the refreshing citrusy notes of kaffir lime leaves. In a Vietnamese family meal, this goes perfectly with some steamed vegetables and a bowl of soup. Simple, cozy, and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. See you in the next video on Vietnamese recipes.